performance agreement process laid out in this training is built on these principles. First one is this is a process that you're doing with your team members, not to them. So that's the first principle, with, not to. Second principle is you're committed to having regular one-on-one meetings with each of your team members. The third principle is that you have a fairly good handle on your team members' interests and strengths and regular everyday workload. And if you don't, you're willing to learn. So principle 3 is know your people. Fourth principle is you're committed to excellence, both team and individual. It's kind of like your desire is deep to lead your team beyond just turning up and doing their job. Instead, you and they are dedicated to performance excellence at a business and a personal level. Principle 5, you're going to use the 4 Bs of high performance leadership framework as a backdrop to how you lead your team. And again, if you aren't familiar with that backdrop, access our free training where you'll discover how to shift your people from hostages to rock stars. Principle 6 is about following on from goal alignment. It's optimal if the performance agreement is a flow on from an organisational goal alignment process. But even if the company you're working within does not use an organisational goal alignment process, you can still create individual performance agreements for your team. It's just a little bit more challenging. Principle 7, really important one. This is not a tool for pay increases. Performance agreements can lay the foundation for compensation based on level of contribution, but that doesn't have to be the outcome of a performance agreement process. They are certainly not a tool to give people pay increases, so never ever set that expectation up. And the other thing is performance agreements don't need to be complicated or lengthy. Sure, they do take some planning, and generally the most complex and time-consuming part to develop is the contribution to business performance improvement. So we'll start with this first element of the performance agreement in the next video. So see you in the next one. Bye.